I don't have my second, my third phones, my fourth phone. I don't have them because I can check my phones. I only have this one left. EMG be here because of ex-convict Governor Ogechi. That's ex-con. Didi otubogama apona. Dano help boroma shawo. Dano help prove that my father raped me. Didi otupuru that nampam bromono. The amado on help prove that nambromono. And many more. Like I said, nobody should back up yet. Nobody should back up yet. The game is about to get tougher and is about to get hot. I took all of you, no stone will be left unturned. As I'm wasting my time and also wasting my own money, so shall everybody do the same. Did you understand? As you guys have decided to deprive me from enjoying my vacation, as you guys have finally deprived me from doing some certain things I wanted to do, and you decided to arrest me, it's gonna, everybody will test the test of time. What I go? So nobody should even start calling, you know, you're quitting. If you quit, it will be one negi. It will be one negi. Nobody should quit. Let everybody keep fighting me. None of you should give up. You give up or one negi. Don't you ever think of giving up in anything. Remember all of you together conspire, wishing me on, humiliated me, took my money, took my time, embarrassed me. Nobody will look. Some people say they quit. If he quit, if he quit, let's continue. Nobody's quitting on. Make una continue. Build your page with my name, with my pain, with my arrest. Shame me more. Jubilate. Don't quit. Don't. If you quit, you are just anyway. Can make you go down, because like I said, in upcoming days, months, and years, it will be more fire than ever. You know, to man spend the ego. More time wasted. Everybody will test this bitter testing. You want to go? So nobody should relax. So I'm no planning at Ogechi Njaka. As you guys are planning, because I plan well, then we hope we give up. Continue on. It has started. It has started. Like I said, you know, be who first call police. You know, be who first say this will go happen. You want to go? So nobody should even say you are. You will continue. You will continue to tell the world what imbecile children. Nobody is living anywhere for now. Lie. Because it's about to get down. You continue to tell the again with a video about and my father raped me, as you claimed in your videos. As you claimed in your videos. Nam potara who my father raped me. Okay, let me block you. Don't need to be here. Oh yeah, fuck off from my page. Shingafo. What I go? All of you that have said that I'm more imbecile children, who will take the proof. We are all going to super. Nobody will be happy. Nobody will peace. Let us continue. You want to go? Let us continue. So mission you want to go? We're going to get mudo. We want to get mudo na this new year. Udola. Unu humiliate chamu. Unu humiliate chamu. Torment chamu. Okay. Oya. Otila. Singapore. This place is not meant for you. Otila. Singapore. You are done and dusted. Singapore. I am not here to exchange words with Ndala. Anyone when you know I talk, carry me they go. As a son, if you comment anything again, my block again. This is my page. Don't you ever tell me what to do with my page, or don't you ever. You want to go? For those of you claiming now, justice, not going to justice, you will deal with Ogechi. I am out for this. I am out for this. That I came back from the United States to Nigeria doesn't mean that I'm stupid. I knew what's about to happen. Actually, I can face it, go this thing. Somebody got to warn on this thing, which is so you guys have wished me dead. Several videos. And you think you will subdue me, suppress me. I'm supposed to be afraid of you. I don't understand. Make I will stand in front of whoever. Make I don't know million now. You want to go? So that's whole deal. To check on me up with chain me ajo. To check on me chain me ajo. Enough of intimidation. See when this intimidation you guys gathered, all the Igbo men that decided to women me, all of you that gathered. Ex-convict Governor Onyoshi Ex-con he put on a live video Mama Shawo Chicago Jim Gwebu now your follow stupid hopeless people can have join yage produce all the song you came out on social media and Nambromono Stop Ogechi TV channel and the again. Now because request here again. My pepper soup don't finish. Unu came out to intimidate me. Unu make them intimidate mama. Onya he dig. I no go. Unu get bumo. All of una get me before I go rest. Una who be head kamo. Una who be head kamo. Una who be things the kamo. Ebony son, Ebony lost son made a video, made a voice note. None of you came out to arrest him. What he said was right. Right? Ebony lost son. Potara. Plania. Ya wokem kuru. Keje boom. If you no kill me. If you no peme me. You na ebu homu. You na ebu homu. I no go gree. You ga ebu mo. You want to go? You ga ebu. Ebony lost son. Una brono potara. Make your video. Sorry, made a record. Na ga ebu ebu ko obi. All All of you kept silent. That record will be revived. No, not start a mo. No, war so me tomba babu. Oh, planted. Ibia. Anna surrender too late. She's surrendering too late. The rainy season about to rain is gonna affect everybody. I didn't just talk. Let's watch the gameplay. I'm surrender on her own. I got nothing to do with me. Make una come chop, no mind me. Come and eat. Pin your account number, make you show me love. Where is Alisa? Not gonna show me love, Joe. Show me love, Joe. Show me love, now the man. Onye italo ina-ensigbu. I'm from Nigeria now. I'm from Nigeria. What about you? Somebody home show Ogechi. Mom made your chota who gave a bouquet. She really. I swear to God. Onye italo unu na-ememe mma o. Unu show them love. Unu show them love. Unu show them love. Over love. Still love me to call. Ndị Igbo, you guys are the best. Owafunanye Ikpere. You guys really showered me with love and I appreciate it. I appreciate na pesupa mara na ekpugala moko okwa hit ekwe mem kembe chibo kana furuna I love you so much. I think now I'll pack him out to Una really showed me love. Nobody loved you. And okay, let me block you, nigga. I fuck off for you here, bitch. Come and fuck the fuck out of here. I shower in my garage. Come on, shinga for you so him again. I know all of you we are disappointed. You guys never know that the love will be massive. You guys never know that they will come through for me. They really came through for me. And I'm grateful. Libu. Na wakachineke gozire mo. Okwa fake love. Ka ori won. They are still showing love. Happy New Year to you too. Okay, I envy you with that organic pepper. Hi, I wish you'd be here. Where they can in the Nigeria organic. Yeah, Nigeria the best. Java again. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Happy New Year to you. Oh. Obruna chima konde yikbarimo. Oniga konde mumu. Okwana kasi mumu. Obruna chima konde yikbarimo. Alenga. Oh, you should post account to go marry me, go show me love. Bewo. Bruna chima konde yigwamo. Onyega konde no manmo. Lokwa na kasi mobi. Oburi fendi rochere kafafuru. Manke hana plani na bia chupu kahinkem. Obruna chima konde yigwamo. Obuniga konde nimo. Lokwa na kasi mobi. You know what? Thank you for yesterday food. Chineke gozere give my brother. Saga love. Na fake. Thank you so much. You're a brother indeed. Thank you for the food. Yeah, Ferus. When Anatoha. And when I cut off Ferus fish out. Thank you so much. You didn't Chim got there. I form get Chibami. Chimbaya zai. Abruna chima konde yikwaimo. Na pepe soup pa bola mi to John. Excuse. Okay, get it. Oh, sorry. Okay, get it justice. Nima the young girl name with justice. Ndara. Onye lalu onwe. Onye lalu onwe. Ya na chonye ogi gide no ya lalu ya. Until they chop every before you come back. Even about relax, buddy. The main merriment is coming. The main merriment is coming. I wonder the kind of energy you have when you were small. Hey! When I was small, my sister, my mom should not have got like this. Balagalam no. Energy was excess. Energy was excess. Hey, Chimo, my dear. You don't want to know. Really, you are beautiful without your hair, without makeup. You know, I'm not a makeup type. I'm not really a makeup type. You know, when I was in my teenage life, that was when I made those makeup, put nails. I wish Facebook could know they block people Facebook. I wish Facebook could know they block. When they form, oh yeah, they put a hand in me, and they fashion, and they make you know, those days, I'm not the channel, those things. I'm not really that makeup type, you know. Just look simple. Maybe once in a blue moon, you know. Even wiggy, and then go try. Like when I'm not maybe I'll be too hot for all that. Too fucking hot. I knew, correct me. When they small. I was a terror. Do not, mom, and they either one of Hamog. Your ribs must break. Never do for your Hamog. Never do for your Lusemog. I was very. Nothing don't need that. I can't. Well, I could channel down. I'm mad name okay. But I'm not becoming baby that Toma can you. Let me pick this call. I'm not the channel those things. I'm not really that makeup type, you know. Just look simple. Maybe once in a blue moon, you know. Even wiggy, and then go try. Like when I'm not maybe I'll be too hot for all that. Too fucking hot. I knew, correct me. When they small. I was a terror. Do not, mom, and they either one of Hamog. Your ribs must break. Never do for your Hamog. Never do for your Lusemog. I was very. Nothing don't need that. I can't. Well, I could channel down. I'm mad name okay. But I'm not becoming baby that Toma can you. Let me pick this call.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Please, after watching, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. God bless you.